Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Jan the Bomb, and today I'll be unboxing this new toy which I got. It's the HUION Professional Graphics Tablet 1060 Plus. Not sure if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, I'm not much of a digital art kind of guy, and I dabble in art, so I thought I'd get one of these to try to do a few animations and do some maybe digital sketching. So hopefully this will be a fun toy for a beginner like me, and to unbox this I'll give you like a short review about what my first impressions of it are, and maybe do a few sample test drawings or something like that. And hopefully this will work out fine for a beginner like me. It's I bought this at 70 Sing dollars, which is around 50 USD. So I think at this price point it's actually relatively a good start for beginner. There are cheaper tablets out there with also without the digital display, and there are more expensive tablets out there, and you guys should go and review or research what suits you best, and hopefully this one will work fine. I chose this because it's the drawing surface area seems relatively big, and hopefully I won't get too annoyed. So yeah, first looks at the box. It's a pretty decent, simple white box with the digital tablet right in front, graphics tablet right in front, and behind there we have some information about the graphics tablet, and we've sealed with the HUION stickers on both sides. You guys can see a bit of the, there we go, some of the specs and information. You guys can pause the video now if you guys want to read all that stuff, and let's unbox this. Alright, changed up the angle and brought up my nice knife. Time to rip it open. Very nice foam padding inside the box. And here we have the graphics tablet with the HUION logo right down there. I think it's a very nice finish, matte finish. The buttons feel pretty decent. Comes with those little notches at the side so you can feel the buttons. But I guess once you're used to the position of the buttons, you'll be more intuitive in pressing them. I have no idea how a graphics tablet works, so bear with me with my really beginnerish, amateurish review of this. Just want to share with you guys this new toy which I bought. Got the serial number behind and stuff. Looks pretty decent so far. It's relatively light, I think. It's a bit of weight to it, so it feels pretty solid. Let's put this board aside and see what else is in the box. Comes with a warranty card, some, I think, quick start guides, instruction manuals. Oh, here we have some nice stuff. The USB connector. It's really just a micro USB to the normal USB kind of wire. So I guess you can also use like your Android cable for this if you lose this cable. Look at that. Alright, it comes with yeah, this thing. I believe these are the stylus tips. Hopefully you can focus. There we go. I think there are, how many are there inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stylus tips, and I believe this is the stylus tip speaker. So you can use this to actually pick up the stylus tips from the holder. Just scoop it and put it out. Very nice. Very nicely designed. And I believe this will be the place where you hold your stylus holder of sorts. This will be the stylus. Feels pretty nice. I like the matte finish on all the products. Very classy. Stylo Milo. Also with the HUION logo right there. I believe behind here you have the charging port for the stylus. It has an internal battery. Not sure if that will cause you problems in the future if the battery starts to die down. Pretty nice holder. It works pretty well. And there's a tip. Not sure how the experience for a tablet, the graphics tablet will be like, but hopefully it will work fine for my usage. And here is the charging cable for the stylus. Yeah, so that's about all the items in here, I think, unless there are like hidden compartments. Nope, there isn't. So that's it for the items in the graphics tablet, and let me just set this up and hopefully we'll get to do some sketches. So stay tuned. So anyway, I've got to mention that the tablet has this tab at the side here to put your slot in your stylus. Let me try to fit that in down there for demonstration purposes. Oh, sorry, it's blur. Oh, it doesn't fit that well. I should fit it the other way. Alright, so I guess it's pretty useful if you want to travel light. Just put the stylus in there, stick the stylus in there, bring this, bring a cable, and you are ready to go. And also you can see here the items which are in the included. Wait a second, where's the SD card, or is it already inside? Oh yeah, it is, I think. Alright, there it is. That's the micro SD card right there. I think it's for the drivers. And let me see what else I can find in here. These are all the items which are included in the HUION 1060 package. There is no, I think, no replacement surface, so they included a lot of replacement stylus. So I believe this surface area will wear down the stylus instead of the other way around. So that's why I give you like 8 replacement tips. And this is where you connect the micro USB, I believe. I'll try to focus there. Cover all this shit behind. Oh, so difficult to focus. I should get a better camera. Anyway, okay, let me just try to go from here and tell you where the positions are. Alright, down here you can see this slot down here. That's where you put in the micro USB cable. And the micro SD card is slotted in there. And on the other side there's nothing. And behind there's also nothing. There are rubber pads, so that's great if you're putting this on the table. And yes, let's try to set this up and actually do some sketches, and I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, so when I plugged in the graphics tablet to the PC, this is what popped up straight away. Is this zip file in there? I believe this is for the driver, so let's just try to install it. Click this, close this. Okay, not sure how to do this. Maybe if I just click this, maybe install. Hey, there we go. Yes. Okay, next HUION tablet, maybe put it in the D drive, I think. Next. So you guys can just follow this quick installation to just set up the drivers. Oh, what's happening? Can't really tell what's happening. Can't really tell what's happening. No idea what happened there. Okay, let's oh shit. Just drop the stylus holder. Okay, let me see if it works. Oh wow, it's already on. Alright, so I'm using my stylus to move the mouse right now. Oh, it's pretty cool. Pretty intuitive. Not too bad. Maybe I should video myself doing this so you guys get a perspective. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. So stylus is here, and see, it corresponds with oh wow, it actually, you guys can see it teleports my mouse if I tap different parts of the screen. So it actually mimics the location of the screen onto your graphics board itself. That's pretty cool. So let's try to go to, maybe search for, let me see, Adobe Animate or AI. Let's see, Illustrator. Do I have Illustrator here? There we go. Let's try to draw some stuff on Illustrator. Pretty cool stuff. If you hover your stylus just over the board, it will move the mouse, and I believe if you tap on it, then it will actually click. Very nice. But I'm not sure what all the other buttons do. I believe they are customizable, so I'll figure that out later. But right now, let's try to actually just do a quick sketch or something. Okay. Let me see, do I have a paintbrush here? Okay. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, look at that button. That's pretty handy. I believe I think I can go and do some shortcuts to do like some Control C, Control V kind of thing, or Control Z, you know, to undo like all the other stuff and put them in the buttons at the side. But relatively so far, the product seems pretty cool. Just draw like a circle, ooh, a smiley face, hello. Oh, I don't know what it does. Oh, the buttons actually go to different oh wow, there's a zoom in, zoom out. Oh, actually it's already preset, so there's the zoom in, zoom out on here on the second what is it, row. Zoom in, zoom out. And then what's this? I have no idea what's this. Nothing there. Oh, that's nice. That's a click, I think. Drag and drop. Oh, what's that? Perspective. And this. Oh, very nice. Oh, there's an undo button already. It's here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th row from the top. There's the, on the left side there's an undo button. So that's pretty useful. Like if you draw something, you just undo. I'm not sure what the other button does, but that's great. And the last one, what's the last one? Oh, what's this? Controls? Is that a copy paste? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'll figure out what all these presets are and then I'll have fun with it. But so far, first impressions, it feels very intuitive to use this tablet. I'll probably have to set the brush settings to actually conform to like regular paint brushes or something like that. So I believe these are pressure sensitive, so I'll have to figure out how to set this up, and hopefully we'll have a good time with this graphics tablet. Do I think that this is a good buy? For now, yes. I would say yes. It's a pretty interesting buy. You got to be you have to get used to the whole setup of looking at the screen, and it's like using a mouse actually, but it's more it feels more intuitive for a person who draws on paper. So if you're an analog drawer then or analog artist, then this might work for you as opposed to just using a mouse, because a mouse can be quite rough and blunt in the way we do our strokes, and this is more natural like paper. I think the surface area of the pen to the board is the tablet is pretty okay for me. Feels pretty smooth, but I heard that some people prefer a little bit more texture to draw on, but for me I think it will work fine. I'll probably think like I have to go and figure out how to go and set all the brusher settings to actually go and utilize this product fully, and hopefully we'll get some nice sketches out of this. Just it's pretty fun. Yeah, at 70 bucks I think it's a good buy if you're really starting out, and hopefully this video will give you a rough idea on what you're getting into with graphics tablets such as this. Personally, I don't think I will go for anything smaller than this board which I have right now, because any smaller and because even right now I feel like I might have problems with like smaller details. I probably have to zoom in or something. I'm not sure how to zoom in, but so hopefully this video helps you guys out and help you guys out, and hopefully I'll get some drawing out, and that's all from me today. Alright, see ya.